In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master reporting in Asana. Asana is a powerful tool many teams use to manage projects, track tasks, and streamline workflows. Understanding how to set up and interpret reports in Asana can greatly enhance your productivity and decision-making. So let's delve into the details. First, you need to log into your Asana account. Make sure you're on the home page where you can access your projects and tasks. If you're new to Asana, don't worry. It's user-friendly and intuitive. Once you're in, locate the project you want to evaluate. You can do this by navigating to the sidebar on the left and selecting the specific project from the list. This area is where you can manage different tasks, view updates, and interact with your team. After you've selected your project, it's time to move to the reporting features. At the top of the project page, you'll find a series of tabs, one of which is labeled Reports. Click on this tab to enter the reporting section. This is where Asana really shines, offering a suite of customizable reporting options that can cater to the specific needs of your team. Now that you're in the reporting section, you'll see options to create various types of reports. These include task reports, project progress, and time tracking, among others. Look for the Create New Report button. This is your starting point. Clicking it will bring up a menu with several options. Choose the type of report you need based on what you want to analyze. For example, if you're interested in how long tasks are taking to complete, select a time tracking report. Now, let's configure your new report. After selecting the type of report, you'll see a series of filters you can apply. These filters help you refine your data. You can filter tasks by due date, assignee, status, and more. This step is particularly useful if you're handling a large project with many moving parts and want to focus on specific metrics or team members. Customize these filters according to your requirements to ensure your report aligns with your objectives. Once your filters are set, generate the report by clicking the Generate button. Asana will process your inputs and display your report, offering a visually engaging snapshot of your project's progress. You'll see charts, graphs, and a summary of key data points. This information can be pivotal in understanding how efficiently your team is functioning and where improvements may be needed. Finally, make sure to save your report for future reference. Asana allows you to name and save your reports within your dashboard, making it easy to access and update them later. Sharing these reports with your team is straightforward as well. Simply click the Share button and select your preferred method. With these steps, you now have a structured report that gives you insightful data to support your project management efforts. Mastering Asana's reporting tools will empower you to lead your team more effectively and achieve your project goals with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.